Hi, my name is Shyam Ranganathan. Welcome to Vijay Raja Presents Behind Woods exclusive Pete interview powered by Ruchi Magic. And with me is the finest actor in Indian cinema, one of the most versatile actors, one person that I dream to work with someday, one person that we're really fortunate has come to Tamil cinema, Nawazuddin Siddiqui sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And welcome to Tamil cinema. How does it feel?
Yeah, of course, it's feeling great because from last many years I wanted to work with like Rajni sir and Vijay Sethupathi,
Right,
Bobby.
right.
They are the great actor of our country actually right now.
Right.
And Karthik, he is amazing talent actually. I saw his film earlier before 2 years. So and I was just, oh my God, what an approach of Karthik for the film. So I'm fortunate that I'm working with Rajni sir and all actors.
But did you ever think in your life that, one day you'll do a Tamil movie and like what better debut than Pete? And one other question, we know how you select your characters, and it's not easy to convince Nawazuddin to do a film and to play a character. We know that you look at a lot of things. How did you say yes to Pete?
It is because of Karthik.
Right.
And of course Rajni sir.
Right.
I know Anurag Kashyap knows Karthik very well actually, and when I asked to Anurag about Karthik, so he said just do it. He is very talented actor actually. He is new, but he is very talented.
Right.
So I was confident at the time, and I said yes.
Okay. You get very attached to the character. You do a lot of homework for the character. The process is very complex. What did you learn, or what did the character take from you, the character you played in Pete?
Peta can't say so much about about my character in the film right now, but the character or all the characters are like they are like एक चाइल्डहुड से स्टार्ट होता है, फिर यंग एज में, देन लाइक ओल्ड एज में आते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स, है ना. उसमें किसने क्या बुरा किया, व्हाट द बैड थिंग ही हैव डन इन पास्ट, एंड व्हाट विल बी इन द फ्यूचर, व्हाट विल बी what effect will come on the character is kind of, the character of mine is like that. No, I'm not saying particularly right now because yeah.
One thing that Tamil Makkal, everybody is wondering on social media is, are you playing the villain?
Can't say right now.
Right.
Because directors and producers and they are not allowed to say anything about the character.
Okay. So, this man, this phenomenal called Rajnikant, and you worked with him personally, you've spoken to him. What do you think makes Rajnikant Rajnikant?
Because it's his simplicity actually.
Okay.
Wherever he is right now, it is just because of his simplicity.
Right.
He is very simple in real life, but that's why he creates a persona in cinema.
Right.
So that's the beauty of very different things to each other actually. But if I am simple, then if I am very like in real life, if I am complex oriented kind of person and so many things I have, because I can't do anything in front of camera.
Right.
You have to be differentiate between the real life and real life.
Right. So Vijay Sethupathi sir and Rajni sir have spoken about your amazing performance and how talented you are as a performer. जब आप set पे थे, were there any moments where you were amazed by the performance of your co-actors? Is there any moment you remember?
Yeah, I was amazed when I was working with Vijay Sethupathi. He has बहुत ही ease है.
हाँ.
विजय के पास.
अच्छा.
तो which I liked a lot actually.
Right.
And I like Vijay Sethupathi a lot because he is very experimenting kind of experimental actor actually. He is experimenting with each and every character, film by film. So I like him a lot, and of course Rajni sir. The charisma of Rajni sir is amazing. When I was working with him as in that shot, he stand and walk, and the people were crazy at the time and clapping applause of Rajni sir's stance.
Right. Sir, any time in your spare time after watching a Rajni sir film or anything like from your childhood, have you ever flipped a cigarette like that? Or
Yeah, I
any
did it. I did
mannerisms?
it in Gangs of Wasipur.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was
I
inspired.
did it, but you know in first shot
Right.
when Anurag says Anurag said action and I did it it came in my mouth.
Right.
And technically it was not a good shot, but when we did it again,
Right.
वो नहीं आया मेरे मुंह में
अच्छा.
और फिर दोबारा आया तो वो शॉट रखा उन्होंने बिकॉज अनुराग सेड दैट वी आर नॉट अदरवाइज इफ वी हम एक ही उसमें रखेंगे तो वो रजनीकांत जोन में चला जाएगा. इट्स बेटर कि पहले ट्राई किया फिर नहीं आया फिर आया सेकंड टाइम पे आया.
Right.
वो हम रखेंगे वो पार्ट.
अच्छा.
अदरवाइज वो एक ही टाइम में चले जाता तो रजनीकांत जोन में चला जाता.
Right. So this was inspired from Rajni sir.
Yeah, of course. I saw so many films of Rajni sir at the time when I was young.
Right. Sir.
So I inspired a lot the style of Rajni sir actually.
Right. So one thing that is characteristic of Rajni sir is his laugh. The Can you do that for us, please? Yeah. Just that one. And one Rajni sir dialogue.
ये बड़ी तड़ी बड़ी.
Has there been any moment on set where you just look at him and you're like, this guy is the biggest superstar and look how simple he is. Any small incident, anything you remember?
So many things actually. वो जब आते हैं when he used to come in at the set,
Right.
no one knows who is coming actually.
Right.
Okay, it's just a simple the simplicity of him actually. And when he goes, he goes. He's not like now see I'm going, now I'm coming.
Right.
It doesn't show like that.
Right.
It doesn't show all the things. He's a stardom on screen actually.
Right.
When his charisma, if you want to see his charisma, just
What's the film?
go and watch.
Right. So do you have scenes with Vijay Sethupathi as well?
Yeah, of course I have.
Okay. With Rajni sir as well?
Rajni sir, yeah.
With Trisha ma'am as well?
Yeah.
With Simran ma'am as well?
Not Simran ma'am, but
Okay.
with all the people I have.
Sir, we know that Kartik Subbaraj has been the biggest fan of yours, and in 2016, when you did an Ask Nawaz on Twitter, he asked you a question which you did not reply to. I don't know if you've seen this. I want to show this to you.
No, actually,
This was the tweet
yeah.
where he said, "I'm a filmmaker."
It is
from
his
Tamil Nadu."
greatness actually. He's such an, oh my god, he's
It's like big fan of you. Do you have idea of acting in a Tamil film anytime? And like 2 years down the line, you're actually doing this. So, as Kartik Subbaraj, he's a ace filmmaker, but at the same time, he's such a big fan of Nawazuddin. So, how was that handling? Like, how did he narrate the scenes to you? Because he spoke about the fact that I love Talaivar, I love Rajni sir so much that, you know, at times on the set, I couldn't focus on my work. I was just looking at what he's doing. So, how's that relationship with Kartik?
see, he have the great talent to handle the actors actually. He doesn't have the kind of theory that the one treatment will apply with every actor. He have the kind of like if he is working with me,
Right, sir.
so he applied another method. If he is working with Vijay Sethupathi, he will apply another kind of treatment or method.
Right.
So he have the kind of talent actually. Each and every person he knows very well. He is my actor, and how can I like मैं उसका best कैसे मैं
कैसे
निकाल सकता
निकालूं?
हूँ? Kartik know very well. actually.
Right. So, what is the process of getting into the character? Because we know that you take process very seriously and you have your own way. What was it for this role?
See, Kartik gave me so many things about the character actually. Each and every detail of the character, characteristics, habits and all. Kartik gave me, explained me a lot about the characters. When your director knows very well about the character, so it's become so easy to portray the character. So, and of course I always trust on my director, whatever he'll say, because he studied a lot more than me actually.
Right. So, how do you see Vijay Sethupathi as a performer, and what do you think is, because a lot of actors have said this about Vijay Sethupathi, that you don't notice what he's doing in the scene, even when he's silent, but when you watch the output, you know he has owned the scene. And do you think that is true? Like, how do you see him as a performer?
He's a very gifted actor actually. Can't say anything about Vijay because he's really very gifted actor actually, God gifted. So I'm a trained actor. I learned each and everything about acting and all, how to build up a character, what will be the habit of the character, how to enter in this skin of the character. We learn a lot. I'm from National School of Drama. I passed out from in '96 from National School of Drama. So I learned acting actually. I was not like that. I was like very dumb and tough kind of person, very slow, and from the village. I belong to a small village.
Right, sir.
So we don't know anything about the acting and all. So I learned I learned acting, and then we came to Bombay. All actors came to Bombay, and then start struggling and all.
How do you keep yourself grounded? Because a lot of people lose their calm, lose their sense of mind when they have too much fame, too much money. How does one stay grounded?
See, if you have another kind of like अगर आपके दिमाग में सिर्फ इसी के लिए आए थे, फेम के लिए, then you can be like, you can go anywhere else, you know. If you are just thinking about your work, craft and all, so you will be grounded actually. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आप स्टारडम के लिए जब आते हैं, whenever you get the stardom, you will, oh my god, now I am a star. You can sleep anywhere, anytime, you know. But if you know your craft, you know, acting is a like very deep kind of, समंदर है, it's a very deep sea. जैसे आप एंटर करते हैं, गहराई में जाते हैं, तो और बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं आपको. You will get so many things. When you go more deep, then you'll get so many things again. So you can't say like I'm an actor now and I'm a star now. So if you're saying like that, so you're stopping your growth.
True.